Modern PlayStation 5 gaming introduces the concept of dual entitlement, where many games offer both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 versions with a single purchase. Understanding how to select and manage these versions is essential for optimal gaming experience. Dual entitlement games provide both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 versions with a single purchase. These are separate installations with different capabilities, and most maintain distinct trophy lists and save files. PlayStation 5 versions typically require 20 to 40% more storage space than their PlayStation 4 counterparts, but offer significant enhancements including improved graphics, faster loading times, and advanced haptic feedback capabilities. The first method involves using the PlayStation Store interface. Navigate to your desired game, locate the version drop-down menu, select either the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 version, and confirm your download selection. The second method utilizes the Game Library interface. Access your game library from the home screen, locate your game, press the Options button on your controller, and select the Version Management option to choose your preferred version. The third method involves storage management through System Settings. Navigate to Settings, select Storage, locate your installed game, and manage versions directly through the storage interface. This method is particularly useful for removing unwanted versions to conserve storage space. Several important considerations must be noted when managing game versions. Most critically, save files typically cannot be transferred between PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 versions of the same game. Additionally, PlayStation 5 versions require significantly more storage space, making storage management essential for optimal system performance. The first and most critical best practice is to always verify the game version before initiating any download. This simple step prevents the inadvertent installation of both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 versions, which can consume substantial storage space unnecessarily. Proactive storage management represents the second essential practice. Users should regularly monitor their system storage to identify and remove duplicate game installations. The PlayStation 5 storage management interface provides comprehensive tools for this purpose. The third critical consideration involves save file compatibility research. Most games do not support save file transfers between PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 versions. Users must thoroughly investigate compatibility before switching versions to avoid losing game progress. External storage solutions provide an effective method for managing multiple game versions. Users can store PlayStation 4 versions on external drives while keeping PlayStation 5 versions on the internal solid-state drive for optimal performance. Sony is actively developing a unified gaming experience with seamless version switching capabilities. Future system updates are expected to prevent automatic dual downloads. Current statistics reveal that 45% of PlayStation 5 owners have accidentally downloaded incorrect versions at least once, emphasizing the critical importance of careful version management practices.